The will says that once every year, upon the memorial of my death, with my children and good friends and relatives, to come together and read some of my funny stories in whatever language seems easiest. That was interesting because for him to have that much foresight. And so we do that, and we're usually it's in English. 1 out of 4 is in Yiddish these days. Years ago it was maybe 2 out of 4. Well, each year when we have the memorial of Yortsayt, stories are read, different ones. This is the 98th year after his death. So at each Yortsayt I hear 3 or 4 stories and other comments. So I have a memory of hundreds of stories. As youngsters, 2 or 3 years old, we would cavort in the back someplace while they were telling. So that we gradually realized that this was an important event. So we stopped cavorting and started listening. And then we realized that this was something that was going to happen every year. Going to read stories. We start always by reading Sholem Aleichem's will in Yiddish, and then more recently a translation into English. But I realized that this was something that we cherished. One of my sons has been running it for the last few years. His children are very interested in the Yiddish culture. There's no doubt in my mind that after him, one of his children will take over that job. And so it will go down the line.